After a major storm-related road collapse, the County of Monterey was able to quickly mobilize construction crews and rebuild the road in just 16 weeks through their job order contracting program.
The Elkhorn Road project was a project that came up as a result of the winter storms we had here in California last season. The county has spent millions and millions of dollars addressing emergency response work due to that storm season, and I would say 90% of it was executed through the JOC program. This road was essentially washing down the hill. A major section of this road was completely undermined, sinkhole status. It was shut down, barricaded. You couldn't use this road for access.
It was a major collapse. Elkhorn Road was one of my major roads that I would take to go to work. So when Elkhorn Road collapsed, I had to go around and take Highway 1 just like everybody else. So it really was a major detour.
The county engaged one of their trusted vendors to execute this, so there was a lot of rapport and collaboration that had already been established with this team. So when those storms hit and everyone got the call, we basically all put on our work hats and went out there and were able to quickly find solutions, mobilize people, and we knew what we had to do. We didn't have time to go back and forth for 3 weeks, so we got a proposal. 8 people came to a room. We did a live review. I made comments in eGordian as we went along through the proposal, added tasks in, revised quantities, came to a meeting of the minds within a half a day on a proposal. I summarized everything live. I sent it to the contractor. That afternoon they made the changes. We had a firm price. We issued a notice to proceed, and they mobilized the very next week. This was quite a monster. They took this hillside and they rebuilt it to support this road profile, which included a complete rebuilding of the road section to address water runoff so that it doesn't continue to erode the road and undermine the foundation of the road. It was a really well executed project.
Seeing that it was repaired so quickly and with such quality, as a resident, we were really pleased. It's nice to see your taxpayers' money used that way.
That was a really good project because it shows that collaboration. It also shows that when things need to get done quickly and you have good players, it's easily accomplished through JOC. I don't know how they could have done the work that they did without JOC in place.